Hurricane Otis slamming into Mexico's Pacific coast overnight.
Hurricane Otis, the strongest on record to hit Mexico's Pacific coast.
One of the worst storms ever to make landfall in our world's history in a metropolitan area.
The park was totally destroyed, the buildings, all the streets. I would describe Acapulco now as a total disaster.
At 10 a.m. Tuesday, Otis is a tropical storm, winds 70 miles per hour. By 10 p.m., winds are 160 miles per hour. So Otis went from a tropical storm to a Cat 5 in just 12 hours.
There were probably a lot of people caught off guard, maybe even in a dangerous place that they wouldn't want to be during such an intense storm.
Now, frustration with the government's response growing as residents say they're left to fend for themselves.
We reached out to our friends at Strategic Response Partners. They are a team that rush in wherever there's danger. When most people are running away from tragedies like this, they charge in to help.
When we first got to Acapulco, we were blown away by just the manner of destruction. And these people just got clocked with absolutely no warning, and it was an urgent need.
And the cleanup is well underway here. I want to show you a closer look at this group of disaster response people. This is a disaster response team. They came here to be on the ground. Some of them are even first responders, firefighters, police officers. They are all working together to make sure people here get exactly what they need to get back up on their feet and get up and running again as quickly as they possibly can. Certainly a glimmer of hope in the midst of destruction.
Strategic Response Partners currently located right in the eye of the storm. We will be moving all our assets, fuel, power, security, and additional medical response as soon as the storm passes. SRP's role is this. We have our entire teams in place, ready to deploy as needed for our clients.